Sure. Hello. Yeah. So I'm Crypto Lord, and you know how I do my thing. I'm the Lord of Crypto Arbitrage in Ghana, and I'm also a trader of future trading. I'm a trader. I'm a pro. I'm a pro, bro. Yeah. So currently, right now, a lot of people have been chatting me that they want to know why I've been earning money with crypto arbitrage and crypto trading. So they've made focus for today is crypto trading, that's future trading, a day trading. Like you be trading a day, making money every day. Yeah. So what's my secret? So I have more than five secrets. So I want to show you one, just one, and the one involved a lot chart analysis and how you can be going short or long without losing any money. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to teach you right now. And if you click on the link in the bio or in the link in the description, I have a VIP group that I put future trading signals every day inside. So if you chat me and you be like, yo, bro, I want to be in your VIP group, I will let you join. The VIP group is 1 year. So you just have to pay $60 to join the group for 1 year. Yeah, so I'll be giving you signals for 1 year for just $60. Just $60. I'll be giving you signal for 1 year. Yeah, maybe next month we will be because you are upgrading the price, so you have to join early. Yeah, so we have me personally, I have 5 ways of identify whether I'm going short or going long. Don't let anyone deceive you that there is a chart you read and stuff. As a beginner, reading the chart is very difficult for you. So at times people rely on signals that okay, this, and I'm not saying it's bad. So the more you are getting signals, and the more when it comes to the trade, and you be checking the chart too, you be out learning some things. That one is cool. That one's fun. Yeah. So me personally, this how I trade my hot coins and get money every day. I have five secrets, and I want to show you just one. So pay attention to learn it. And please don't forget to follow me or subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Yeah. So right now I've opened my future trading, and as a beginner, I will not advise you to go in for 50 times leverage. Though I trade 50 times leverage, but as a beginner, I will not advise you to go in for 50 times leverage. I will I will tell you to go in for 10 times. Yeah, 10 times. And yeah, you shouldn't put on cross, put it on isolated. Yeah, that's good for you. Yeah. And as a beginner, I'll advise you to put the limit to market order. Yeah, market order. Yeah. So after that, what are you going to do? What is your next move? You see, right now, it's in the 1 hour time frame, and you can see that the chart is going short. If I put it in 5 minutes, you can see that it's short. 50 minutes short, 30 minutes is short, but this is my focus. You see, check and see. You can see that the Bitcoin on a future trading is 105,371. So I'll go to my markets and here order. So you can see that I have 105,412. So it means that this one is higher than here. So probability for it to go to 412 is there, and that's how it is. So to me, I'll go in. That's what we call scalping. I'll go in short. I'll go in long. So the long. I know that it will reach 1412 for rather 424. It will reach there before it will go down next. Yeah, it will reach 425. So I'll go in for long. So the long, then I'll set my take profit and stop loss Now, regarding to what is in the sports section, you see that thing. I don't know whether you are understanding what I'm saying. I'm saying that right now it's 105,382 over here. It will go to 105,439 because the sport trading is always ahead of the futures. So it will go to that session before if it will fall to fall. So my next move it will be long. Yeah, long. And I will set my stop loss and my take profits around this thing. So when it gets to 400 plus, I'm out. That's why you always see me going in for 50 times leverage. So to reach that place, when I reach that place, I I close the market and I'll wait and see if it's going up or going down again. Then I know where to enter. So if I go here and I go Ethereum here, Ethereum here is 2,486. Here is 2,488. You see, the hot is always ahead of the futures. So I play along with that. After that, I have four things that I also consider, and that one too is for only my mentorship students. If you join, and I will show you all the tricks. But I have a signal that I put it in my VIP group. That one I said it's $60, and you be in the group, and we getting signals. Yeah, and you be what. You be just there or same signals and you trade and you will make money every day. That's it. Yeah. So this one of the things that I always look at. You see that right? It's 22488. It means that it's reached what I was telling you. You see that, and that's how it is. And this one, let me go to the Bitcoin and show you something. Have you seen 245? Have you seen it? Yeah. So that's one of the tricks that I used to trade. That's one of the tricks that I used to trade. But I have five tricks. That's why I'm always profitable. And it's not about you reading chat, blah 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 blah. Yo, bro, this crypto trading. You have to be smart. You have to be what? You have to be smart. And you need a smart person to lead you for you to make more money. I reason that you don't know this thing, and I've shown you how it is. Can you see right now that it has reached what I'm trying to? So probability for you to reach 105,514 is also higher. So then I'll go to 105,144. So I'll go to a long. Then I'll wait. When I get to that place, I'll close market. Then I'll come here and read it again and enter market again. It's simple. Then you are making money out of it. That's how we do trade. That's how you have to be smart. You see that thing? Yeah. So this is one of the things that I consider before doing my trade. That's why I always come out with profitable figures. Yeah. Yeah. So if you're my students, if you're my future trading students, I have two types of students. I have crypto arbitrage students and future trading students. Yeah. I'll give you all this knowledge for you to what? Be profitable. You have to be smart. I'll give you all the smart moves. You see that in all the smart moves, and you have to be smart on it and make more money out of it. And you can also join the VIP session. And that one, if you chat me, tell me that you want to join the VIP. I'll put it in. You pay. I'll put it in. Then we are good to go. That's how it is. So this is how I make my money with these tricks. Yeah, I will show you more tricks if you join my mentorship. I'll show you more tricks in it. Yeah, so I think you can use this small trick to make more money for yourself. This one I give you for free, so you have to follow me and subscribe to my channel. I'm not feeling well, but subscribe to my channel and let's make more money out of it. I'm a crypto lord and I'm out.